How to submit a lost and found report to Dollar Car Rental. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Lost and Found page of Dollar Car Rental. Here, click on follow this link in here. After you have clicked on follow this link, it will lead you to a different page. In here, select your country if it's Canada or United States of America. Select the one. After you've selected, you'll find out the state, select the state. And inside it, where it is located, click on it and it will show you option, click on it. After you've clicked on it, it will lead you to this page. Here, click on report now. After you click on report now, add your first name, last name, your country, address 1, city, zip postal code, select state, add your contact phone, email, and press on next. Then select lost date and select where it was lost, and press on next at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on next at the bottom right corner of your screen, it will lead you to this page. Here, select your item category. After you've selected the item category, select what kind of cover it had, its title, and submit. After you've pressed on submit, it will ask you for color. Select the color. Here you can add the additional description, and if you have a picture, you can add it and press on submit. They'll get back to you and solve your issue. This is how to submit a lost and found report to Dollar Car Rental. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.